Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to correctly find invoice on Aliexpress. So let's dive into it. So if you need an invoice from Aliexpress, start by logging into your account on the website, not the app, for full options. So go to my order and locate the specific order you want, then click view details. Next to that order, then scroll down until you find the download invoice or request invoice button. Aliexpress will either instantly generate it or email you a copy depending on the seller. And if you don't see the invoice option, contact the seller directly through the contact seller button and request an official invoice with all details. Always make sure the seller includes the date, order number, and their business information so the invoice is valid for record keeping or tax purposes. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.